Most people think their Facebook account is secure because nothing bad has happened yet. That's not an audit. In this guide, I'll show you how to audit your Facebook account security like a pro in 2026 using the same mindset security teams actually use. First, access control. Go to your security and login settings, check your password strength, and confirm two-factor authentication is enabled with an authenticator app. If either of these is weak, the audit already fails. Everything else depends on this. Next, active sessions. Open the section that shows where you're logged in. Review every device, browser, and location carefully. Anything unfamiliar gets logged out immediately. Pros assume unknown access is real until proven otherwise. Now, activity review. Open your activity log, scan for posts, reactions, messages, or friend requests you don't remember making. Even small actions matter. Silent access often shows up here first. All right? Recovery paths. Check the email addresses and phone numbers tied to your account. Ask one question. Do I fully control these today? Remove anything outdated, shared, or inactive. Recovery weaknesses are how most takeovers actually happen. Next, third-party access. Open apps and websites connected to your account. Remove anything you don't actively use or don't fully trust. Professionals treat every connected app as a potential breach point. Now, monitoring. Confirm login alerts are enabled for both email and Facebook notifications. This is your early warning system. Without alerts, breaches go unnoticed for days or weeks. Finally, exposure. Review your privacy settings, limit who can see your friends' list, posts, and personal details. Less public information means fewer targeted attacks. Pros always reduce exposure. And that's a professional Facebook security audit. If every step checks out, your account is well protected. Repeat this audit every few months. Real security is maintained, not assumed.